OnePlus fans, mark your calendars. The OnePlus Watch 3 is officially launching on February 18th, and it's packing some incredible features that make it a must-have for smartwatch enthusiasts. After months of speculation, OnePlus has finally revealed the Watch 3, and it's shaping up to be a game-changer. The Watch 3 boasts a stunning design with a titanium bezel and sapphire crystal face, giving it a premium look and feel. While the frame material hasn't been confirmed, it's likely to be stainless steel, similar to its predecessor. But the real star of the show is its battery life. OnePlus promises up to 5 days of battery life in smart mode, which means full Wear OS functionality. This is a massive improvement over the Watch 2, thanks to a 29% larger battery. OnePlus is also offering early bird discounts for those who register on their official website. You can save $30 or €30 off the launch price, and in select EU countries, the discount goes up to €80. Plus, US customers have a chance to win a OnePlus Pad 2 or OnePlus Buds Pro 3 for free. With its sleek design, impressive battery life, and Wear OS capabilities, the OnePlus Watch 3 is set to be a strong contender in the smartwatch market. Are you excited about this launch? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates from Techverse. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.